Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial firebase application. So this is tutorial number 5 of our Android firebase tutorial. We are uploading onto our real-time database and saving it also into our storage. This is what we have done in the previous video, guys. So now in this video, guys, what we are going to do is let me just head over to my UI, and as you can see here, so we can let's go to my emulator, and I like to see if we have, as you can see here, we cannot see the image that we are trying to and so we cannot see it, but okay, so we don't have the zip either, and try to set a ground, so in that way we can ask the image. Okay, we will just leave it like that. So now I will just what we are going to do, we'll just go to, so we are going to also to let the user input on this following field, and then get the value from this edit text field, and later on when you click submit, we will also put it into our real-time database. So see how we can do that in our class. So as you can see here, we already one image variable. Now so how can we do that? So we need to first we need to initialize this one, and I think we initialize those elements. So we have email and submit btn. So okay, up to here, but the password, so the username, email, password, and current password. So now I will when the button is successful, when the button is clicked, okay, when the button is clicked, so we need to create a method that will also handle those following fields. So the user image will have success, so we can complete this for the image. So when we click this button, okay, so inside maybe we can put it right here. We method validate data or input, and we can create the main activity. Okay. This one will call whenever we will click this button. So okay, this one for selection of an image, and this one will be called, okay, so but we can even move this one. I will just cut this, guys, to make it a little bit cleaner. I will just go and cut, and I will create a method here, private void one submit form submit. For this form submit, here I will paste codes, then we can call it here, or we can call it maybe here. Let's try what is the difference. That is the same. So this one is for the activity result when we start the activity, and this one will check the result, and then I will go here to validate input. First I will declare string text user plus username text string text email plus email get text plus string text password really plus history get text to string. We are just assigning the value from the edit text and put in this variable as string, and then we'll set text confirm. Okay, history equals confirm that get. We're just getting the input of the user, converting it to string, and then storing this variable, local variable. Okay. After that, we can check each of these. We can check if Pixiewps. We have a utility class that you can use to check whether the object is empty. Error, check error message. With the message username is required. Simple as that. And then you can say else if Pixiewps that text email. Actually there is much efficient way to do this, but I will just show you some other method of checking. We can check if field is empty, then you can just write email that set error message with a simple message email is required. Okay. Else if we can add additional check here, and we have a method in Java which is pattern. We call it in Java. This one matches that a pattern that actually in Android fill that email address that matches, and we can pass the text email that matches. If pattern email address is not matches with the text email, you can throw an error here. Email that's error with the message email please input a valid email. Write like that, or containing character okay, then you can see email that request purpose. Yes, if you will check if text password is empty, so you can check if it is empty. Just a simple checking, guys. We don't allow empty value, so we can prompt the to enter some value or password is required. But we are just showing a message to our user that we need value from this page, so that is what we can do. That's why we are checking here. So we'll see. We can check our string password. If it is not empty, or if it is empty, then we can text confirmation password, and we will just the same error message with please confirm this match the password. This match the confirm password, or confirm password is required. Password is required. That's it. Password request. Because yes, we can check if the value of this is not the same, then we don't allow the input. Is this text password is not equal to text confirm password. So if text password is not equal to if the value of this toString is not the same, then we will throw an error. Confirm set error message password, then match. You can say confirm password that is focus. Okay, once we already done checking all of these fields, password, so and then otherwise else. Okay, insert data to insert this data. So we have text user, text email, text password, text group password. Okay, we are going to insert that data, but we need to create the model for this object. So after that, we are going to show the dialog, inserting data, and you can see dialog that okay, we are going to put it below the dialog that show. Okay, so here we need to create a model, or first reference of the database, then we are going to insert this so at first we need to create a model for this one. I will just create a model for this one. Object model, data equals new, text user, text email, text password, and confirm password. It shows an error right now because we have not defined the model object yet, but we are going to create it. So now we can go and create the model. So implement settable. Okay, now I will go here, define this private string username it's the you can name it however you like. I will just name it username, email, password, confirm password, and we need image. Okay, then we are going to implement the parseable, and we are going to create a constructor. So I'll just generate constructor with call, and after that I'm going also to generate constructor without, and I will initialize this one. Sure it will not crash. Username, email, password, confirm password, and image. Now we have an error into our that we can just pass null for the image for now. And then what we are going to do, we need to tell the reference. You can tell the reference, data reference that set value. Okay, as you can see here, or you can you can just scroll down. These are the methods. What are the other methods? But I will use this one. I will say account, and I will just set the value, the data. When we are in data, insert data will show. Okay, so we are yes, otherwise inserting data. And then this one will insert our data into the reference that initialize here to the user account. Okay, I'll just remove this one, guys. So I'll just to the account, and let us try to run this one to see if this will work. Actually we are not. So we are calling the validate input. We are calling the validate. Actually we are not calling the validate input method. Okay. Let's go and try to see if we have call the validate input into the button we are going to submit. Okay, we call it when we submit our form. Okay, now let us try if we have done it correctly, or otherwise it will just throw us an error, but we will fix it otherwise. Okay, now it is installing. Now launching succeed. Okay, or just I will just for example, if I will not put any value, okay, it's crashed, and it is calling methods as path segment on a null object reference. So the null, because we don't select an image, is why, and that is why it's throwing an error, because it did not add an image. So but example, if you have an image, I'll use this one and then I'll submit. So it will submit the image. But so now let us try to, we will just later on, but let us try to type here if we can meet the input. So just submit. I will just put not match password, and let us try to see if we can get an error. Password and this one is still appearing, so we will fix it later on. We have, I think because we called it, and I will just password for this time and submit, and you see we have an error. Okay, we have a problem in this because we did not select an image. Okay, let's go and try to restart. But I will just go to the fix. We have two images here. Now let's select an image for this time. Okay, I will go and choose, and I will write an, and I will try to fill all the data here, and I will go and type password. Let us match it, so we can see if we will be successfully submit this form, and still we are getting an error that we are going to fix in the next video, guys. So I will try to reload if it is submitted or not. So we have an error. Okay, now we don't have to our database, but then we need to check error. It is still telling us pattern null printer attempt to format you are null object. What is the null here? You string is a null object. Okay, I think this is what we are going to fix in the next video. So because storage replace firebase storage, or we are initializing the, okay, so I have a mistake here. Should not be, we should get it storage that it's actually the reference for this, since we already initialize the storage. We are getting the entrance of the storage. I think this is the problem. So storage the reference, and let us try to, because we already initialized the storage here, we are getting the instance multiply this storage and put it to the variable storage, and then instead of initializing it again, you can just there in storage get reference to get the reference of the storage. Okay, charge security. Okay, now I will just choose image again. I will just gmail.com with the password, and let's just type it again correctly. Okay, yes, we are still getting an error, so this is a different, so database exception, no properties to serialize file class object. object model. Okay, we have a problem here. This is a differential problem. Okay, see, value data. And why this will not serialize. Set value. Okay, so now let's go and try to change this one. I will go here. Copy. Go to the object model. I will go here. Okay. Please. I will go here. I will shift F6. Okay, just enter and you can just select and type F6 and enter. Click select all. I will type and shift F6, enter all. I will go here, copy this one, select all. Now try to revert object model and object image. Okay, we need to generate data. I need to generate data. So later on. Okay. Get image. Okay. So you just generate it. We will use that. So run it again. So because we have an error here. Okay, what is the error actually? It tells us the error in the data. No properties to serialize. Why is that happening? Okay, I will go here. And we are calling the insert data index. Data. Okay, we just try to test it again. We just mark before and this time we will just put a match password just to see if we got it. Now the data is, but this is not left empty. We forgot to set it empty. Let's go back to our database and you can see there is a new hashes. That is it. We click open, we can see we have image and we have the password, the email address, and that is how you are going to insert the data into this real-time database, guys. So I hope you learned some at least in my video tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoy watching, and if you do so, please consider hitting the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you have some questions and doubts or comments, you can write in the comment box. So the thing I forget is to set it when we are inserting the data. So after we insert the data, we can actually set it back all of the edit text field. So we can, after we insert the data, if it is successful, set it to user, set text to empty string, and this will remove all the input from the text field. We can password set text to empty, and you can also confirm password that it's empty, and we can run it again and reload, so we can even run it again to check. So as you can see how the a little bit long time of recording. I think I need to separate or to split the video, so in that way you will use this video, because this is a little bit low. So I think when I will do some editing stuff, I will just split to just shorten the length time of the recording, so I hope you will not get lost from it. So let me just input again other pictures. I will just go and type the name Alice gmail.com, so we can type the same password. Okay, then we submit. Now if I am to, as you can see, now it is empty. All of the input field is empty, and you can see here we have successfully inserted data into the database. That is all you need to know within this video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video, guys. So in the next video, guys, we are going to learn how we can retrieve this data. So it's a real-time database, and retrieve it, put it back into our application UI. Whether we are going to use recycler view, page view. Okay, so you guys, I hope to see you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, hit the like button. If you have some questions, drop it in the comment box, and see you again